Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shafique. I am a CPA and I have been in the tax and accounting profession since 2001. It's been a while. Welcome to my channel Shafique CPA. In this video, I want to explain what it means that the tax season starts on January 26. Every year this date changes and what you should be doing now to avoid last minute issues. This video is for individuals, families, small business owners who want to file correctly on time. When we say tax season starts on January 26, it means the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, begins accepting tax returns. Now you can file your tax return. It does not mean you must file on that day when the tax filing starts. It means the system is ready, it's open, and returns now can be processed. Before January 26, returns can be prepared, but they cannot be officially submitted to the IRS. Many people feel pressure to file as early as possible. Early filing can be helpful. You can get your refund faster, but only if the return is complete. A tax return should be filed only after all income documents are received by the taxpayer, all information is reviewed. Filing too early often leads to corrections later, and corrections slow down things. Accuracy should always come before speed. Before you schedule your appointment with your tax preparer, your CPA, you should confirm that you have all W-2 forms from your employment, 1099 forms for your self-employment or for interest and investment income, mortgage interest statement if you own a home, property tax records, charitable contribution records, and if you own a business, complete income and expense information. How much you made, how much you spent to make that money, all that. If something is missing, it is better to wait until all necessary tax information is gathered by you. Most electronically filed returns with direct deposit are processed within 2 to 3 weeks. Some returns take longer, and this can be due to verification process. IRS verifies credits that you are claiming, and sometimes IRS just selects certain tax returns for review. Delays do not always mean a problem. This is part of the process. Every year we see the same issues: incomplete information, incorrect bank details, income that was not reported by you on your tax return, but it was reported to the IRS by third parties, like the companies who issue 1099s, Uber, Lyft, and all that. These issues create stress and often delay refunds. Good preparation reduces these problems. If you own a business, personal and business expenses should be separate. You should not commingle. You should keep separate bank accounts. That's more efficient. Income should be matching with your bank deposits. Expenses should be supported by records. Clean records make tax filing easier and reduce questions later by the IRS or your state. There are a few important dates to keep in mind. Of course, January 26 this year, when the IRS starts accepting returns. March 15 for certain business tax returns such as partnerships, S corps. April 15 for most individual tax returns. Waiting until last few days limits your options. Early planning gives you control. So I created this channel to share practical tax information, not theory and not complicated explanations and difficult to understand words, which I cannot speak myself anyway. Just clear guidance from real experience. Throughout this tax season, I will be sharing important reminders, common mistakes, and planning ideas. Now is the time to organize your records and documents. Ask your questions early and avoid last-minute decisions. Preparation saves time, reduces stress, and leads to better results. Tax season starts January 26 this year. Use this time now to prepare for your tax return. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. My name is Mohammad Shafique, and I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.